Okay, we are live and we are ready to rock and roll. Very excited about tonight's training. We'll give everybody just a second just to check in here while we get going. I see filling up pretty quick here. So we're going to be talking about the new Kiosk 2.0 system tonight and testing. And we'll talk about that here in just a minute. Can everybody see my screen okay? Can everybody see the screen okay? I hope so. We're going to start rolling here. And first and foremost, I want to welcome everybody to Wednesday Night Training. My name is Kerry Miller. For those of you who are new to the group and new to training, we are ready to show you our new 2.0 system. Real quick, if you have not joined our Facebook group, I am going to put a link up. You need to join the Facebook group if you can. There are a lot of good things that happen in the Facebook group. On the right-hand side of your screen, if you're on a computer, or on the bottom of your screen, if you're on a phone, just click here to join. Go ahead and do that now real quick. Just a quick reminder, if your Facebook profile is different than what you signed up with under the AppWizardStudio program, you will just need to send me, if I decline you, that means it didn't match up. If you will just send me an email at mobiadgroup, mobiadgroup @gmail.com. I'll be more than happy to approve you. And so join our group. A lot of great things happening there. That's the first place I post everything, and then I send out emails. So make sure you go and do that. Real quick, and I'm going to remove that. Do not forget to register for the next 52 weeks training on the link that I just put up. I've also put it in the group several times. I think it's pinned to the top, but I will be going over this many times in the training and in the emails over the next several days. You will not get in training next week if you do not register. So the Hangouts, Google Hangouts is going away, and we're going to be using the Google Live system with the webinar system that we use. So you must register. You have to register in order to do that. Real quick, AppWizardStudio nor I cannot guarantee just because you are watching training, you will make any sales, create any traffic, or increase your income. Every person has a different work ethic and different desires. And if the sound's not clear, just if you it may be me that's garbled. I'm just about to lose my voice. Can everybody hear me okay? Can everybody hear me okay? My voice may be a little garbled. I've been on the phone for 2 straight days now. And so anyway, cannot guarantee you're going to make anybody, but sounds like I'm talking into a fan. Let me move my fan is on my computer. Let me move my microphone. Maybe that will help. Maybe that's what y'all are hearing is the fan on my computer. How is that? Is that better? Maybe take the fan noise away. I'm in the process of moving. I'm not sure why the video audio is garbled. I'm using the same Rode microphone I've used forever. I can't adjust the gain. I don't know. I mean, I'm not talking through a $1 million system here. I'm talking through a computer and a $400 Rode microphone. So I can't adjust the gain. So maybe, oops, I bet you heard that because I just dropped the microphone. I can't adjust the volume either. Let me change ports on my computer. Not go anywhere. I want to see if I can fix this real quick. Can everybody hear me now? All right, let's go. You should be able to hear me now fine. I changed ports. Okay, I changed ports on my computer. All right, so anyway, we got through the disclaimer. Let's go ahead and get started here. Once again, please ensure you register for the training that starts April the 5th. Make sure you do that. Let me move into my computer. Can everybody see my screen? We're going right into the training. All right. Our new 2.0 system is up and live. Let me just let you know before I get started, now that it's up and live, we've been beta testing this now since the weekend, okay? But the most important thing is that before you take this to your customers, that you go in and you test each individual thing, okay? And so what you want to make sure you do is just make sure that you're not having any connection problems, you're not having any texting problems when you sign up with text and use the system. We've worked out a ton of bugs and got everything working. But as always, with any new launch of any new software product, things can, whoever keeps raising their hand, you don't need to raise your hand. And so you will need to go in, follow the directions tonight, rewatch this training, set it up like I set it up, and walk through the things that we walked through and test your platform. And make sure that if there's anything wrong, you don't need to call me. You don't need to put it in. Definitely don't put it in the Facebook group. Go in and put in a support ticket directly to Mark. When we launch a new program like this, he is waiting for those tickets to come in so that he can get it fixed and get it fixed quickly. So make sure that as you're testing and you go in and you look at everything, if you see something that doesn't work or you think it's not working, put in a ticket. He's looking for those tickets so that we can go in and make it happen. Now, you can see right here, there's an edit kiosk button now on your system. This has nothing to do with the kiosk system that your current customers are currently using. This is a total separate system that has been set up. The old system will not go away. So if you like that system and you want to use that system and you want to sell that system, that's fine. You can go ahead and do that. That will not be turned off. You will not lose anything with that system. So just understand that all the training that you've had, that's all not going away. Everything is going to stay the same. Is there any questions on that before we get started? Because when we get started here, I'm going to be watching out of both sides of my head so I can catch any questions. Tonight is going to be watch and ask questions. Watch and ask questions. I'm going to come in and I'm going to set up a brand new kiosk so that you can know exactly what to do so that there's no question. First and foremost, you're going to come up and you've got to create a new app. We're going to create a web app. I'm not going to go through the entire app. I'm just going to simply create one from a template. I'm going to come down and grab this generic app right here. I'm going to call this kiosk test. Number 2. I'm not going to upload any images or anything, just going to create the app. And I'm going to hit save. Now the app has been saved. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to add my texting to this app. Once again, this kiosk system has to have texting in order to work. Now you can go in and you can build one now, but when you click on it, it's going to tell you it's a demo. Okay, matter of fact, let me show you that real quick. There's no texting on this. Do not make this mistake by going in and it doesn't matter what I typed. I lost my train of thought there. Don't make the mistake of going in to the customer and walk in with a demo and walk out without a sale. Don't be surprised if that happens. Next, it's kind of like buying a new car. You know, you have to have text to be able to show them how it runs in order for them to understand what it does. But I'm going to show you what it'll do because people are going to ask. I'm going to go into Edit Kiosk. This is your kiosk link right here. This is the link that you will put in your system when you go in and put it in the app in order to have your tablet made as a kiosk. You can see here, I'm going to come in here. I'm going to come into, we'll go into enter to win. I'm going to put my number in. I'm going to hit submit. And you can't see this on the screen, I don't think, because this is a notification. It says demo mode. But if you do this on your tablet, it's going to pop up a box and it's going to say you're in demo mode, and it will not allow the system to work. Even though it looks like it works, you're not going to be building your list, and they're not going to be able to see how it works. Okay? So let's go back. The first thing you want to do is you want to do what? You want to add texting. Okay? Now we've got texting added to our new kiosk. Now you don't have to go into the app or anything in order to set this up. But the first thing you want to do, okay, is come into Edit Kiosk. Settings. And you're going to come in into General Settings. And you're going to put your customer's information. Now, let me show you something. This is the passcode that allows you to get your customers to the back end, and I'm going to show you that here shortly. Put their information in. This information here is already set up to go in the proper places in your privacy policy. It's already set up that all you have to do is put the information in. Do not change any of this information on the bottom. This is all legal mumbo jumbo that's got to be there. You see it's got the business name in there and all that information, your business name, address, city, state, and zip. All that's got to be in there. And this is your customer. This is your client. Okay? And I'm going to come down and hit save. Now your general settings are done. You don't have to, that I don't know. if the terms of service are good for Canada. Information that's here now is good for the US. I don't know if in the group they put a lot of terms of service generators and stuff, but check with your local authorities for terms of service in Canada. That's very important. Okay, we've got the loyalty reward. We've got the VIP program. Okay. You got the birthday club, and you've got the enter to win. We're going to start with the loyalty rewards. Each one of these can be turned on and off as you wish. Let's say, for example, that all you want to do is go out and sell loyalty rewards. For example, this is something I am focusing on right now with smoke shops, okay? And I'm not worried about any of these others. This is what I'm focusing on because with my studies, I know that loyalty rewards is the #1 program for kiosk systems is smoke shops, a huge business for smoke shops. So, but I can go in and turn off what I want, and I'm going to take these one at a time. So let's go into settings. You can see here, you can enable it or disable it. I'm going to leave this one enabled. And you got to save all these. I'm going to go into VIP offers. I'm going to disable it. I'm going to go into birthday club. I'm going to disable it. Yes, always consult an attorney in every state. Okay, and I'm going to disable it. The enter to win. The enter to win is really cool. I'm going to talk about that quite a bit here shortly. Matter of fact, Daryl up in Canada, this is a program he's going to love. Okay, so I've disabled all of those. Now I'm going to come up to preview. I'm going to reload. And I've only got one program that is set up, okay, which is the loyalty rewards program. Now, I can go out and just sell loyalty rewards. I can sell loyalty rewards in VIP. I can sell loyalty rewards in birthday. I can sell just enter to win. I can mix and match these any way I want in order to increase my revenue using whichever program I want to use, okay? So let's go into settings. Let's go into loyalty rewards. This loyalty rewards program and the loyalty rewards program that is currently in your phone work hand in hand. I'm going to go back here real quick and I'm going to go edit web app. You see right here, there's no loyalty rewards button. I want to show you something when I set this up. I need to have Mark put an edit kiosk button right here next to messaging center. Okay. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to put my phone number and everything right here, but I'm going to set it up right here. Until you type something in this box, there's nothing set up. It's not going to, there's nothing going to be sent. Okay. The reward, get a free pizza. And I can say 1 punch, 2 punches, how many ever punches I want it to be. I'm going to set it on 3 just so you can see. Anytime, once every 15 minutes, 60 minutes, 6 hours, 24 hours. I recommend that you set it for 24 hours at a minimum. You can set it for 2 days, whatever the customer wants, but 24 hours at a minimum. That way they can only punch once a day. For training, I'm going to set it to anytime. You can change these images if you want. I highly recommend, if you've never saved an image, right click on it and save the image in a folder. That way, if you ever want to go back to this GIF file, you will have it. It's pretty cool. I'm personally not going to change it to anything. I'm going to leave it just like it is because I like it. Okay. I think Woodrow created those. I think, I'm not sure, but anyway, they're good looking files. And I'm going to hit save. Now I have set up my loyalty rewards. I put my reward right here. Everything is going to happen automatically from this point. We're going to go to preview. I'm going to say, sorry about that. Let me do something different. I nearly made a huge mistake. Let me get another phone number. Let me get another phone number to type in there. And I'm going to hit submit. Check-in confirmed. Total check-ins earned. Additional check-ins needed for reward. The reward is get a free pizza. Close. Okay. Now I want to show you something real quick. Remember the 9111 code? 9111. Submit. Master settings. You can go in and let's say the customer changes his phone number or something. You can go, if you're sitting there talking to him, you can say, hey, I just changed my phone. Okay, let me fix that for you real quick. And or you can show them how to fix it. Okay. And I just got a ding and everybody heard me say, everybody just heard me say, I sent my message in and it says, thanks for joining, blah, blah, blah. All right. So I'm going to hit save. I'm not going to change anything. But let's say that he calls you and says, hey, how many people have I got on my loyalty rewards? Well, go into 9111, hit submit. Loyalty users. That's the number I just put in there. He's got one punch. Okay. Loyalty reward is get a free pizza. Maybe he wants to change the loyalty reward and you give him the code and all he has to do is put loyalty reward. Yeah, the image probably does resize automatically. It makes you, it probably won't resize the height, but it should resize the width. Okay. Settings we just went through. You can go to loyalty settings. Oh, I don't want to do this anytime, but let me tell you something about this. If you had 50 people come in and sign up on the anytime, until they get their reward, they're on the setting that they logged in on. If you change this to every 24 hours, until they hit that one time and put the code in, it's going to come up, okay? Because that's the program they signed up under. Once they changed and cashed it in, okay, then bam, it's gonna be every 3 days or every hours or whatever you put in there. Number of punches required, the same thing. This is set at whatever you set it at when that person signed up. Everything after that change, then it will change. And a lot of people want to see this. A lot of people want to know how many users they have. So now you've got the stats right there on the tablet. You can go in, you can talk to your customers, you can see what they're doing, you can see how they're doing it, the whole 9 yards. All right. So let me go in here and put my phone number in again. 708. I got this number just for training, actually. Submit. Check-in confirmed. Total check-ins 2. I need one more check-in to get my free pizza. Okay. Bam. Congratulations. Please check your mobile phone for your reward card. This is generated automatically. Okay. Why do we say visits or check-ins with the punch cards and not purchase something, whatever, a number of times? Every reward system I've ever used said check-ins. So, I mean, you can change that. You can change this text over here on the side. You can make it say whatever you want to say. Okay. And I'm going to get my little message there. It says, congratulations, to redeem your reward, tap this number, and it generates it automatically. Oops, that ain't going to work. 009089. Submit. Congratulations, you've earned your reward. Show this to an employee if needed. 009089. Get a free pizza. Okay? Close. Now, remember I told you, this will generate the loyalty rewards program on the mobile phone. So if your mobile app, if your mobile card, yeah, you can change it right here. You can earn a free two large topping pizza. After 10 visits. Hit save. We come over here to the preview, reload. Earn a free large 2-topping pizza after 10 visits. Okay, right there. So we hit reload. Now let's go up here to edit web app. And you can see the punch card right here. Now they do have to sign up on here. Sign up or already have an account. If they've already punched their phone number in, and I've already have an account, so I have to put mine in, but it would be my number. Then I'm just going to put a passcode in there, 1234. I'm going to hit submit. And now I'm in my system. Okay. So I can use the app and the card, and the kiosk, or you can do this. If you don't want the app to be a part of it, just come up, go to content, go to homepage. Everybody get their questions together for this part because I'm going to be moving on here in just a second. And I'm going to turn off the punch card. I'm just going to say no. And it takes it off the app. But you can use either one. Now, if they come up with the punch card, I'm going to show you what it does. They've got to get the code. If they use the app, and this is a fail-safe for your customer, okay? It's a fail-safe for your customer. Go to punch card, tap to punch, employee code. They can't set it home, and they cannot set it home and punch without an employee code. Submit. I got my employee code and they punched using their phone. That is a fail-safe to keep them from sitting at home and just getting punches for free. So they either come in the store and they use the kiosk. Okay? They use the kiosk and they put their phone number in, and or they can use their phone. On the loyalty rewards, that I'll show you that here in just a second. Okay, I'll show you that here in just a second. Okay? How they can offer something for free, all right, just for joining. Because what we're going to be able to do is we're fixing to be able to bring two products together, which gives you your marketing, weekly marketing platform, and their loyalty rewards programs all in the same package. But I want to go through the next package first before I do that. Any other reward program, just go 9111 in the stats for the stats, loyalty settings, number of punches 4, one person is redeemed, there's one user, so obviously I redeemed and I've got another punch there, right? Any questions? You can change the employee code here, the passcode. 1. How many text credits each time the punch? There's only one credit used when the text message goes out. It doesn't use credits just to punch the card. That goes into a database, and the database isn't triggered until it sends the message. I hope I'm answering that correctly, and I hope I'm reading that correctly. It only takes one message. It only sends one message. It doesn't send a message saying you're opting into anything or anything else. When you come in and you punch in your phone number for the 3rd time, and it's going to send you a text, it's only one text, and that's for the loyalty rewards card. Will, did I answer that correctly for you, buddy? Yes, just once the prize is earned on the loyalty rewards. On the loyalty rewards. This is a very, very, very powerful program. Okay? Very powerful program. Now, any other questions? Okay, thank you. No, the email address doesn't get a notification of redemption. All the person that controls the system, all the management needs to do to see how many redemptions and everything else. You can't on the loyalty rewards, but I'm fixing to show you how to combine those. If the person wants to see his stats, all he has to do is type in 911, and we've got all the stats right here in the back. How many punches? The whole 9 yards. This is strictly loyalty right now. I'm fixing to show you how to add the VIP program in just a moment. Okay? Now, let's go in. And I don't want to do the loyalty reward program. I want to come in and I want to set up my join our list or VIP offers. Okay? Now, there's one thing Mark's going to do. If you'll notice in the loyalty rewards, you can put the information up here. He's going to fix this to where you can put the information here. Okay? All right. Well, you know, Gene, everybody was telling me they can't hear me, so I spoke up so everybody can hear me. I apologize if I'm speaking too loud. My most humble apology. Can everybody hear me now? Can everybody hear me talking like this now? If you can, just let me know and I will quit speaking so loud. Can everybody hear me okay? I won't go further. I want to make sure everybody can hear me. Awesome. I will keep talking. My most humble apologies if I was too loud. Okay, so here we go. No, I wasn't talking loud because I'm excited. I was talking loud because everybody said they couldn't hear me. All right, here we go on the next thing. Are the VIP offers right now until Mark changes this, okay, until and this is going to be in the next few days, okay, going to be in the next few days. You're going to have to come up to the keyword and set up your keyword, okay. I've only been talking this way for 4 years. Lord help. Turn your speakers down. All right. So we come in here, text keywords, and we hit edit. And after we hit edit, we are going to put the sign up incentive message in. And in the sign up incentive message, that's whatever that sign up is going to be. Okay. So we're going to say sign up incentive message, get a free pizza for signing up today. Okay. And that's going to go in the welcome message preview here. Okay. Get a free pizza for signing up today. Thanks for joining. Get a free pizza for signing up today. To to stop text, stop message, and data rates may apply. And we're going to allow the opt-in on the web app. So if you wish to, really, are you serious? You can't hear me now? I swear. You know, I don't know what's changed. I've used the same microphone for 4 years. It's a $480 microphone, the same computer, the same system. So y'all need to decide if I need to speak louder or softer. Dave. All right. I'm going to turn off my messages so I can't see y'all talking. It's what I'm fixing to do. All right. And so get a free pizza for signing up today. Is set up, and I've saved the changes. Now all we have to do is go back over to the kiosk system. Thank you, Christopher. I haven't been to Sonic. Okay, I'm going to come into settings, VIP offers, and I'm going to enable my VIP offers. Now, okay, now my VIP offers have been set up. Same thing. You may receive up to 4 messages per month. Somebody's going to ask this question, so I will go ahead and tell you this information right here, this center and these brackets and these B's and all this stuff. This is HTML code. Okay, this is all HTML code. So make sure you come in and change these. And I'm going to talk to Mark about making these a WYSIWYG box. But for right now, it's just put in the HTML code. The best thing to do is just come in, tap. You don't need to change the tap your mobile number, then submit. Promotion information is sent by text. You may receive up to whatever this number is going to be. You may want to change that. Get exclusive offers, specials, or news, or whatever it's going to be. Okay. Thank you for joining. To finalize registration, you must reply yes to the text message just sent you. Okay. Now I'm going to hit save on this. And I'm going to come over and I'm going to go to preview. And there's my VIP offers. Okay. Now I want to show you guys something real quick that's really cool before I do this. Now I've got my VIP set up. And I want to be able, with the loyalty program, number one, give them an incentive, but also I want to be able to market to them through the marketing platform those weekly messages. So I'm going to come up to loyalty rewards, and I'm going to enable this because I want you guys to see this. Now you can run them together or you can run them separately, but this will answer the question that was given earlier. Okay. About can you have an incentive, or can you put them in the marketing platform, or how you want to do that. So let's go over here to VIP offers. I'm sorry, loyalty rewards. Now I'm going to put in that phone number. I'm just going to put in a phone number. It doesn't really matter. Well, no, I've got to put in a phone number because I'm fixing to go into the loyalty rewards. So 469 708 8446. Hit submit. Now look what just happened. When I activated that, it says join our VIP offers program to receive exclusive deals and information that will keep you in the know. I was calling before. Y'all said you couldn't hear me, Kenny. And exclusive deals and information that will keep you in the know and save you money. If y'all would quit typing all that information and listen, y'all won't have to answer questions later. Join our VIP offers program to receive exclusive deals and the information that will give. So now, guess what I can do? I can join the VIP offers program, okay? Or I can say, no, thanks, I don't want to do that, okay? But I can go ahead and join the VIP offers program, and I can hit submit. Please reply yes to the text we just sent to complete the VIP offers registration. So now I just got a message in, okay, and I'm going to type yes, and I'm going to say yes, I want to join that, and I'm going to get back a message and say, hey, thanks for joining, whatever that, if thanks for joining, get a free pizza for signing up today. So now, okay, yes, this is tied into the app. The exact. Oh, you're talking about the loyalty rewards? Good question. Let me look because I have not seen that. I have not looked at that. So let's look at that together right now. That's a very good question. Okay. So let's take a look at the app, and let's go to the punch card. Tap the punch card. Let me go ahead and get out of this real quick. It looks like it's cached in here. I will check on that, Rick. Yes. What happens is when they, let me go back over there. I will check on that, Rick. What happens is if they don't sign up, okay, and I'm just going to put a random number in here and see if it'll take a random number. It will continue to ask them that question. Do you want to sign up? So let's go to loyalty rewards. 555 1212. Okay, there it is. No thanks. Okay, I don't want to do that. Submit. Let's go to loyalty reward. So it keeps coming up. Up until you say yes. Okay. Once you say yes, and we go close. And this may come up yes because I haven't accepted it yet. Okay. If you don't accept it, it's going to keep asking you. But I will show you what happens when the number four six nine 708 8446, submit. Okay, it doesn't come up again. Okay, so, well, they've got to have a code in order to redeem. Okay, they've got to have a code in order to redeem. Okay. All right. So let's go back to the loyalty rewards. I mean, the VIP offers. So the VIP offers and the loyalty rewards can work hand in hand together. Just remember, in order to set up the loyalty rewards program, okay, you have to go into where it says text keywords up here. All right. Hit view. And when you hit view and you go into edit, okay, that's where you put your offer and your information. Mark is going to put this information inside the kiosk program so you can do it all from right there. Let's go back over to settings. Each one of these gives you the ability to see the stats now. Okay. Oops. Let me turn on the loyalty rewards. I mean the VIP offers. Each one of these gives you the ability now to go in and see the stats. And that's one thing that a lot of customers want to see. How many people are redeeming? How many people are signing up? How do I know if somebody redeemed today? Well, you can go in and do the VIP offers the same way. Master settings, they can come in and change the information just as they did before. VIP settings, VIP sats, 0 subscribers. That's because I didn't say yes yet. VIP users, none, because why? I didn't say yes. And the VIP message, you can come in. Let's say that your client wants you to come in and send out a message every week. He don't want you to do it. He just wants to be able to have the ability to do it. You can do the same thing here as you could in the other VIP program and or join our list program, the marketing program. They can come in and they can put the information in right here. You can see this started off at 500. It's 496 now because it has already sent out some messages. All right. And this manages, yeah, and it helps to manage and determine which one's working best for them. Okay. And I'm going to answer a couple of questions on that I've already been asked in the past couple of days. So let's go ahead and disable that. Any questions on the VIP offers? This is exactly the same program that you've been using. Okay. It works with the messaging center and the marketing platform, and all that works hand in hand. Okay. All of that works hand in hand. All right. Any questions on the VIP offers and or the loyalty rewards program? All right. We will continue right along. The birthday club is just simply that. It's just the birthday club. Okay. The birthday gift is I don't know why it's I'm going out of characters down there. Okay, and this message right here is just like in the other programs. This is part of the text message. So you've got 13 characters remaining here, and this will add this to this information here. So this is the birthday gift, and this is the birthday text message. So happy birthday, visit us and enter the code into our kiosk to receive your gift. You walk in, you put the code in, and you get the gift. Now you can go in and go ahead and test this. let me go ahead and enable this. Make sure I disable this. Okay, and hit save. All right, we got the birthday club. We got it enabled. We hit save. Maybe you just want to go out and sell the birthday club program and add some local marketing along with it, and make yourself a couple of $100 a month. I didn't turn off the loyalty rewards program. If they pop up, it's just simply because you didn't turn off the program. And there's the birthday club. Same thing. January 7th. And your phone number. Hit submit. Thank you for joining our birthday club. We look forward to making your day a little more special. Now, I would tell you, there's no easier money than going out setting up birthday clubs. It's sit and forget. You could literally have a birthday club kiosk in every single business out there. Okay? Every single business out there. All right? So you go out. No, VIP is not the punch card system. You go out and you set this up one time and forget it. Okay. Of course, you go back and visit your clients and your customers, but you go back and set it up and forget it. Okay. Any questions on the birthday program? This is very cut and dry. I mean, it is exactly as it is. The loyalty rewards program is simply the punch card program. Okay. The VIP offers is your weekly marketing messages, your coupons, whatever you want to send out to them. Yes, the business card is the same business card. Absolutely. You can set up the birthday program here. If you set up the birthday program on the business card, is exactly the same program. Both of them are exactly the same. Same database. They can sign up the birthday program on the app. They can sign up the birthday program in the kiosk. Either way, it doesn't matter. Would I run all these programs? No, I would not. That's me personally. I would combine them for different things. Okay, I would combine them for different things. And we'll talk about that here as soon as I finish up on this, on the enter to win. The enter to win to me is probably, this would be great for car dealerships. Oh yeah, all four of them can run on the same kiosk. Absolutely, you can run all four of these, and I'll turn that on in a minute, and you can see that. Okay. The enter to win is, yeah, it's too overwhelming for a business owner. So that's why I wouldn't do it. The enter to win, this is the way this works. Start the campaign, let's say the 29th, and we're going to end it March. We're going to end it April the 1st. Okay, of 2017. Grand prize, 10% off your next order, or whatever that will be. Okay. You can have the VIP up there. Now the VIP and the birthday aren't on the same loop. Okay, not in the same programming. Like if you come up here to the VIP, you will not enter the birthday program. Okay, and that may be something we look at on the next upgrade. The program is standalone. The enter to win, You put a date in. Now, this is your grand prize. Is Daryl still on here? Daryl Warner, are you still on, buddy? Daryl runs, if he's not, I'll just tell you the story why I called his name. Daryl runs bingo halls, or he sets up with bingo halls up in Canada. And he has a great thing going with him. Now, they tried the loyalty rewards, and it didn't work out exactly the way they wanted it to work out. Now, the loyalty rewards program we have now may be a little better suited for them, but this enter to win is absolutely, golden for programs like he was running at the bingo halls. What they would do is you could enter when you come in and got your cards or your bingo cards or whatever they did, they would enter the loyalty program. And he had tons of traffic. The traffic he was getting was amazing. The signups he was getting was amazing. Everything was working perfectly, except the loyalty rewards program didn't quite fit that niche. On the enter to win, they can enter once a day, okay? And or if they're standing in front of the bingo hall and the man or the woman gets up there and says, okay, everybody make sure you enter to win in the kiosk as you walk out tonight. You can enter as many times as you want. And of course, this runs off of an algorithm, okay, which picks the winner automatically. Now, what's going to happen is the grand prize will get picked first, okay? The person that gets picked first. You can also, if you wish, to have secondary prizes. These are the people who didn't win, but they get notified so that they know that that number one, and the reason this is a good thing, people sometimes think they got scammed because nobody ever told them. So what you can do here is you can say, second prize, get a free drink. Or whatever your second prize is on your next visit. Okay? And what's going to happen is they're going to get a code. All of these systems have a code, which they will receive. And when they come in, that way, the customer knows, your clients know that they're able to track on everything that happens, okay? And that's really what the customer wants to know. Okay, 500 people use this. How many people actually redeemed and came in and spent money with me? Okay, that's what a business owner wants to know. So here, Daryl, they can give away the 57-inch TV up here, okay? Or whatever size TV they were giving away. And just so, for the consolation, maybe they get a free bingo card. Okay. And so what does this do? This drives everybody back in because them people are going to buy 15 or 20 bingo cards. And this right here tells the person that won the grand prize that they won the grand prize. What happens is on April the 2nd, that's when the notification goes out. On April the 2nd, that's when the notification will go out. So they have from March 29th to April 1st, okay, sign up. And then once they sign up, they will automatically be notified of the winner and whatever, if there's a secondary prize, or if you don't want a secondary prize to go out, just simply leave it blank. Okay? And of course, you want to enable it. Hit save. Hit preview. Hit reload. Now here you've got the birthday club. Yeah, Daryl, it's really cool. Okay. Here you've got the birthday club and the enter to win. So that you could run two programs in a place like that if you wanted to. But they go to the sweepstakes. Okay, 4-6 done. 708. 8446. This is simply a test number I set up through Google Voice, so don't try to call me on it. I will not answer. Okay, enter again with each visit to increase your chances of winning. Good luck to you. Okay, and if you go down here to the terms of service, okay, here's the general terms of service. And if you come down here to enter to win, by participating in our Enter to Win sweepstakes program, you agree to receive SMS, MMS. You may enter multiple times during the duration of the sweepstakes, but only once per day. Winner is chosen at random by a computer program. Entering the sweepstakes multiple times will increase your chances of winning. No purchase necessary to enter or win. And let me talk about this information real quick. Enter to win is probably one of the most regulated things there is. Okay. So make sure you don't mess with any of that terminology that's in the enter to win. Now you can do the same thing. You can come back here, enter to win settings. We've got one contestant signed up. These are your campaigns. Enter no campaigns on file. This is a regular information. After the campaign is over, this will list the campaign, when it was ran, how many people in it. This will give you all the legality, all the legal information, okay? All the legal information to do that. Enter to win users. There's the number. Enter to win campaign. This is the campaign. You can do that. Okay? Can they enter to win from the app? This is the way you do that, Daryl. You simply click on this OneTap.mobi K new kiosk test system. Copy. We're going to come over here and edit web app. We're going to go to content. We're going to go to link to web pages and phone numbers. I'm going to add a new link. I'm going to go enter to win. I'm going to select link to website. I'm going to go I'm going to paste that there. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to come up here to preview. Oops, let me turn it on. Now I've got enter to win on my app. And this doesn't have to be there, okay? You can turn this off, and then they just simply click on it and enter to win. All right? Let me back up here. Same thing with all these. You can do the same thing. I need to have Mark put a button up there so we don't have to keep going back and forth. I've already made a note of that. So you can edit kiosks from inside the app. What is the question there? I'm sorry, I missed the question. Any questions at all? At all? I'm going to turn these other two off here. The birthday club is pretty self-explanatory. VIP offers, this is the same as you're used to. Works directly with the marketing platform. Loyalty rewards is simply a punch card system. Uses one text per winner, okay, when it actually sends out the winning code. This is a great program. Love it. Been waiting on this to come out for a while now. Okay. The code to get in now, and this can be changed, is 9111. Enter to win settings, campaigns, enter to win users. Yes, send in a support ticket on that, Will. Yes, Kim, this will be available to rewatch. And for those of you who couldn't hear me and I spoke louder, and I got on your nerves because I spoke louder, I apologize. For those of you that I was speaking too loud, for those of you that couldn't hear me, I apologize for that too. Try to please everyone at the same time. But the replay will be available right after training in the Facebook group, and or it will go out. Well, tell the business owner who the winners are. I will have to check on that. Let me see if Mark will answer me right now. Let's see here. I think I answered that. Yes, it'll be available to rewatch. I sent Mark a message. I will look at all these questions. I know there's been 1,000 of them go by. And once again, let me say, please, please, please test these. How do you test them? Go in and just set them up. Put your punches to any time and how many ever punches you want. Enable it, save it, and test it. Okay. Same thing with the VIP offers. Test it. Make sure your information is going in the messaging center up here. Okay. I've got one text subscriber. Remember, I subscribed earlier. And that was the only subscription I did, and that is in the VIP offers. How would you charge for each program? This is what I'm going to do. It's going to be $149, okay, per month on the one program. If they wish to add a program, it's going to be $49 a month, okay? Up to, and the whole system will be up to 2,500 texts per month. You cannot take a current kiosk system and convert it to this system. Now you can go in and turn off the other system and come in and just put this link, okay? Turn off the other system and come in and go back into your kiosk and put this link right here into the kiosk system, in whatever app you're using for your kiosk, and put this in there versus the other kiosk app. I mean, the other kiosk URL. This is the URL you will use. So you don't convert, you just switch over. And the information in your messaging center is still going to be there to text your subscribers and everything that have signed up. You can still go in and message them. That's not going to change. I hope did I answer that correctly, Danny? Did I answer it to help you? No, you do not have to. If you've already got text messaging, you do not have to switch over text messaging. Yes, you will keep your current subscribers. Absolutely. Yes, that information is there. I just got a message back from Mark. Okay, hang on, Danny, and I'll take the confusion out of it. Okay, that information is winner. It tells you who the winner is. Tells you who the winner is. All right. If you're on the old kiosk system, and here's the old kiosk system right here. This is the URL that you used for the old kiosk system right here. It said kiosk URL. You took that URL and you put that in your kiosk. What you need to do is you need to, if you're going to set up them a new system, you will need to remove this URL from their kiosk or their tablet, okay, because that's what we're talking about, a tablet. And you will need to go in to edit kiosk. And you will need to replace that URL with this URL. And this will take you to the, yes, sir, this will take you into the new system, okay? Yes, it will revert back to your main screen, whatever screen you have up. For example, I've only got this screen up now, but if I had two of these on, let's say that and the birthday club, it would revert back to this screen. This is what this is what I'm charging for setup. I'm charging $199 setup and $149 a month. Okay, $199 setup and $149 a month. And for each additional package, I'm charging $49 to set it up. Okay, $199 setup and $149 a month. Each additional package that is turned on, I'm charging $49 a month. Now let me tell you what's great about that. All right, let's take just a little bit, and please go ahead. I'm watching the questions now. I'm not watching the screen, unless you have a question about the screen. Let's take an example here. I turn on the loyalty rewards program. All right. And I turn on the birthday program. And that's the only two programs that I sold this customer. Okay. Oops. Sorry about that. This is what your screen will look like. I forgot to turn off the enter to win. Okay. Let me go. I want to set it up so you guys can see. You go in there and you set them up, okay? And you set them up on these two programs, up to 2,500 text a month, okay? And you start them off at what? 1,000. So it's 25 bucks a month is what it's going to cost you. Let's say they've got 1,000 customers coming in, and I can tell you, and Kenny went out and talked to a customer, and the numbers are so close to being right on it. It's amazing. 850 is about the number of signups that most loyalty reward program have. That's the average number of loyalty reward signups there is, and that is based across the nation for small to medium businesses. 850. So you put them on the 1,000 text program, which is $25 a month. How often does a loyalty reward go out? How often does that charge the text? One time. Birthday club, when does that go out? Once a year. So you got a 149 and a 49, you're making 200 bucks, okay, on these two particular programs, and your texting is going to run you roughly 25 a month unless you're in a very high volume store, and you're going to get up there somewhere around 50 bucks a month. Okay? So your biggest outlay is going to be about $50 a month on a set and forget program. Both of these, set and forget, unless they want to change the loyalty reward. Now, this is where the View VIP offers. This is what goes through the marketing platform that you charge them weekly for the messages that go out. Okay, so now you've got a 149 and a 49 and a 49. All right, up to 2,500 messages. With the VIP program and those two, you're going to be up there in that 4,000, 5,000 a month message range quick, because you're doing what? You're sending out one message a week to 850 customers. You've got your VIP and your birthday going at the same time. So your recurring revenue on these programs is going to be phenomenal. I highly recommend you sit down and just put a pencil to it. Sit down and put a pencil. I'm sitting here trying to close that on the other screen. Sit down and put a pencil to it. Enter to win. You could sell this all day long for $149 and a $199 setup. Remember, with the $199 setup, you've got to do what? You've got to purchase the stand and you've got to purchase the tablet. And that's going to run you roughly $100 to $125. And then it's going to pay for your shipping and all that to get it to you. So you're covered. You're not going to lose money. I've had this question asked a ton of times. Okay, Kerry, do you charge for the first month? Yes, it's $199 plus the $149. You still got to come out with texting. Now, do you make money? Are you in business to make money? Yes. But what happens is, let's say that you're at that $199 and it's costing you about $150, okay, to set that up. And now you've got some wiggle room because you're at the $199. You can come out and say, I tell you what, since we're going to set this up this month, we're running a special. I've been approved to run a special. I can give you 50% off your first month. So you go in there at $149. So that's what, $78.50, okay, or whatever it is, 75, whatever, $74.50. So $74.50, and you got $74.50 plus the $199. Bam, you're walking out of there with $270, $275 on the initial deal, and charging them $149 a month, up to 2,500 text. You can't go wrong. The average cost, and we've been doing a lot of homework on this. Kenny's been helping me with this. The average cost for Kiosk, anywhere from $299 up to $500 a month. $299 to $500 a month. Yes, they only see a phone number. There is no name attached. That is absolutely correct. There is no name attached to this information. Any other questions? Any other questions at all? Yeah, some systems charge per redemption also. I highly recommend you can walk through this with no problem. Just go to your control panel, go to your app that you put texting in, go to your app that you have texting with. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, Daryl. Hey, thanks, Mark and Woodrow, and thanks to Mark, Woodrow, and they're the ones that put this all together. And Scott, they were the brains behind this one. But it's a great system. Test it. Please test it. Test it tonight before you go to bed. And it will work great. Thank you, Gary. Thank you. Once again, for those that I wasn't loud enough, I apologize. For those that I was too loud, I apologize. All right, guys. and gals and everybody on tonight. We had a very nice crowd tonight. Absolutely, BK. It's a wonderful tool. It's a wonderful tool. All right, everybody. Everybody have a great night. God bless it. I will see you next Wednesday. Hey, I didn't get to the Calendly tonight, but we want to make sure that I'll get to that next week. I'm sure there will be more questions. Once again, if you have any questions at all on this, if you see something that's not you feel is not working correctly, please, 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 absolutely, Joseph. Thank you, buddy. Please put in a support ticket immediately to Mark so he can check it out and make sure that everything is running for your customers smoothly. Very important. And I'm sure we'll be going over these questions again next week. So. I figured you'd be at the bingo hall tomorrow, Daryl. There ain't no question about that. There was no question about it. You'd be at the bingo hall tomorrow. That's for sure. Thank you, BK. All right, guys. Everybody, good night. God bless. And I'll see you on the next week's training. Do not forget to sign up under that new link. Please do not forget. Good night, everybody.